So here we have a small device that cools air. This is called Rovus Arctic Cooler, and it's saying on the box, quick and easy way to cool any space, adjustable 3 speeds, quiet operation, lightweight and portable, cools, purifies and humidifies. So this is the box. I've noticed that this device is being sold on Amazon as well, so you might find it in US as well, maybe under another brand, not being called Rovus, but they are pretty much the same, all of them. So in the box we receive the device, we receive a cable that gets inserted here. This is a USB cable, a normal USB cable. It is 1 meter long, which is a bit short, and you might want to get an extender, power extender as well. So it works on any power source. This is an European one, and it works, it has the right adapter. So let's take the box on the side and talk about the device. It is pretty small, made of plastic. It feels that the materials are made of pretty good quality plastic. It doesn't look very cheap. It has 3 buttons: power button, speed button. It has 3 speeds, and this one is for light. This wall here will just has some sort of light, and you can actually change the colors. I'll just show you in a minute. This device works with water, meaning that it has this recipient here where you can just take a mug of water and pour it here. And I've noticed that this mug has filled half of the tank, and it's slowly it's getting down here. I guess the device is just sucking the water, and as I turn it on, it will just start to consume water and create some sort of steam effect and cool the air by using the water from the tank. So I'll just close this and start it. One thing important is that you don't want to shake the device at all. After you have poured water in it, it should just stay horizontal without shaking it at all, moving it around, because it will just the water will just spill everywhere. It will not stay here. So let's turn it on. We have it on the lowest speed, and I can feel that it's blowing cold air. We have here this small button that will just make the air blow upper or on the ground. And as you see, the power button has a light, and this wall here with the water tank has color as well. It's blue now, and I can change it. And this is quite useful because you can see the water level here. Every 8 hours since you start using it, the water will be consumed, and you need to refill the tank with water. Purple, yellow, green, and this one will just turn it off. To increase the speed, just press this button. So this is the highest speed. I guess you can hear the amount of noise that the device is making it. So it feels quite pleasant, and I can say that the noise is not extremely loud. It feels lower than a room fan, for example. Probably an optimal speed will be to the second speed, the middle speed. And if you don't like fans at all, you can just put it on the lowest speed, which barely makes any sound. It's probably some noise that comes from a normal computer, for example. It's not very loud at all. You can close it at any time. And then power it on and just resume. So yeah, it's pretty small, but this is quite optimal for a desk, for example. If you're just working on your computer, you can just place it on a desk, on your desk, and it will create some cool air in the front area where it blows the air. And it's quite pleasant if you can't afford to get air conditioner, or you don't have space, or for any other reason. This device can do a quite well job. It's a bit expensive. It costs in Romania around 40 to 50 bucks. It's a bit cheaper on Amazon, as I noticed. I was browsing Amazon and saw something very similar. Some reviews are saying that it's a waste of money, but I guess they just compare something like this to an air conditioner that will just chill the room quite well. This is just this will just blow cold air just in front of you, will act like a normal fan. It's a bit better than a normal fan because it blows cold air. It just chills the air by using the water. So in my opinion, this is a good product, a good device. You should give it a try. I guess you can return it in the first 30 days if you don't like it, and you get a refund. The light looks pretty nice. But the problem is that you need to be very careful not to move it around too much, because accidents might happen. Just put it somewhere safe and just leave it there. Now, if you want to move it around, you need to empty the water tank. How you do that? Well, you just take it and spill the water by holding it like this. Obviously you need to unplug it, so it's a pretty complicated process. What it's best to do is just leave the device to run until the water is gone, and then you can just move it around the house. Also move it if you're going out and you need to go somewhere and you need this device. It's good to have, and yeah, it's just important to not move it with water in it. It's very important. So yeah, this was the device, Arctic cooler, Rovus Arctic cooler. Pretty good stuff. You can just Google Rovus Arctic cooler, and you might find some results on Amazon. If you're planning to buy something like this, I think that it's worth to give it a try. Alright, if you have any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you for watching.